Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to today's video where we'll be reviewing a simple yet powerful Taskmaster app. This app helps you stay organized by managing tasks, adding deadlines, and tracking progress all in one easy to use interface. Let's dive into the features. First, let's take a look at the main screen. Here, we have a clean and simple layout to add our task. You can add a new task just by clicking the Add Task button. Once you do that, you can enter details like the task name, a short description, and set both the start date and end date for your task. For example, let's add a task called Complete Homework. You can describe it as finished math and science assignment. Then we choose the start date. Let's say today. And the deadline is next Friday. Once we fill everything in, hit edit. And our task is added to the list. Now if you need to update any task, simply click the complete button, make the change and save it as easy as that. This app includes a few key features to keep you organized. You can add detail to task description to keep track of what needs to be done. Set a deadline for each task so you never miss an important due date. The start and finish dates give you a clear picture of the timeline for each task. The interface is simple and friendly with an easy to read layout that helps you stay on top of your schedule. Notification that will inform the users when the deadline is almost there. Let's talk about the design. The app uses a colorful and friendly layout, making it easy to navigate even for beginners. The buttons are big, and the app reads quickly when you add, edit or remove tasks. No need Wi-Fi. Whether you are using a desktop or mobile version, the app remains responsive and the features adjust perfectly for different screen size. Overall, this Taskmaster app is a great tool for anyone who wants to stay organized, manage tasks, and keep track of important dates. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone looking to be more productive, this app will help you stay on top of your tasks. It's easy to use, visually appealing, and offers all the necessary features you need to manage your day-to-day tasks effectively. That's it for this review. If you like the app, give our team as a champion for the competition. Thanks for watching.